Hey there, today we're going to be looking at a different way to make money online, and I'll be bringing on a special guest that is going to be sharing this amazing strategy with you guys. Now, if you've been looking at making money online for quite some time, okay, and you've been wondering what to do and all of that, all right, this strategy today is also going to provide you with that value in a simple format, okay, in a very clear and simple way on how you can basically make money online. So today I'll be bringing on a guest, okay, her name is Tochi Daniels. She's going to be sharing with you on how to make money with this strategy, which will be obviously share with you in just a moment. All right, so I'm going to link her channel in the description of this video, so go subscribe to her channel because she's going to be making series on this, so you don't miss out on this series on this particular topic that can enable you make money online or start an online business as well. So go and subscribe to her YouTube channel, which the link is going to be in the description of this video. So if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I do videos regarding making money online and providing value on this YouTube channel. So if you like content like this, hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I upload videos like this and you don't miss out on any of my content. So with that being said, let's give it up for Tochi. I should be sharing with you how you can basically make money with this amazing strategy. And don't forget, the link in the description is the link to her YouTube channel. So go and subscribe to her YouTube channel because, like I said earlier, she's going to be putting out series on this particular topics. That way you don't miss out on any of them. So subscribe to our channel, and now let's give it up for Tochi.
Hi, my name is Tochi Daniels. You're welcome to my space once more. If you're new on here, you're welcome. If you're a returning person, you're still welcome. Alright, so let's get into what we have for today. So today I am going to be telling you how to make money online using Builderall. Yes, now I'm sure you're wondering, oh, here they come again with making money online that never works, or all that long story that you have to do, difficult things that someone can't possibly do. Well, today I am going to be showing you that you can actually do this and you can actually make money online using this amazing platform that I am going to be telling you about. Now do stay tuned to the end of this video as I show you all about this and how you can make money using Builderall. Alright, so first of all, what is Builderall? Builderall is an online all-in-one digital marketing platform. Yes, so with Builderall, it's just made the whole digital process easy, the whole digital marketing process easy, all on one platform. So with Builderall, you can create your website, you can create an app, you can create a magazine, you can create your funnels to promote your business, you can create so many different things to help promote your business digitally. Now, so as amazing as all this is, the price is going to shock you. You get this for just $1. Yes, for 30 days. Now, I'm sure most of you are wondering, whoa, websites, apps. Well, I do not code. I do not know where to start from. I'm not a professional. I definitely can do this. Hold up. You definitely can do this. Why? Because Builderall has created templates for you, and all you have to do is just click the ones you prefer, because they have so many templates that you can just select from and customize to your own taste and to your own satisfaction. So you do not have to do coding, you do not have to learn how to design or any of that. It is already all done for you on the platform. All you just necessarily have to do is to click the one you prefer and customize it with your text or your images or your logo, and that is it. An amazing thing I love about Builderall is you have all this on the same platform. I know in the past you have to create a website on a different software, you do your email marketing on a different software, you do your funnels creation on a different software or on a different platform, but with Builderall, all of them can be done on just one platform. And like I said, they're currently running a promo where you get all of this for $1 in 30 days. Well, after 30 days the price goes back to $69. I mean, even $69 is quite fair for all the benefits it's going to be offering to you. Alright, so now we've known about all the amazing features that Builderall is offering. Now let's head on to my screen as I show you how I use Builderall to make money online, and I'm going to be showing you also all the amazing features that you can get with Builderall. Hi beautiful people, so you're welcome back here once again. So I have just logged into my Builderall account, so you'd have to log in to access these amazing features. Like I said, you get all of this for just $1 for the next 30 days. So Builderall is currently running a promotional offer, so hurriedly check that out so you do not miss out on this. So now this is the Cheetah website builder. This is what I use to create my website. As you can see, it is a drag and drop builder. It is 100% beginner friendly, so you just have to select a template that works best for you and you can get your website running. They also have training videos on the platform that you can watch to assist you through the whole process, and they have an amazing 24/7 support system for any questions that you might have. So you do want to check this out and start building those amazing websites and start getting paid online for building websites using Builderall. Alright, so these are some other amazing features that you can get on Builderall. You can get all of this for just $1. So you can use this in your digital marketing businesses, in everything you want to do online, just on one platform. Now this is an amazing feature I absolutely love. This is a drag and drop email marketing automation using MailingBus. So as a business owner, if you're into email marketing, this is the best software for that purpose. So you can send your emails to your list of clients and they can all receive it, and you can do all of this just on one platform. Remember, it's just for $1. So quickly register now so you do not miss out on this. Another amazing thing I love about this is their script generator. So you do not have to do the heavy lifting thinking of what to send to them. They have a script generator. All you have to do is to create the avatar of your potential clients, and they are going to generate a script for you to use for your email marketing. So you do not have to be a copywriter. You just have to put in the avatar of your potential clients, and Builderall is going to generate email sequences for you to use for your marketing. So definitely do check that out. So these are some other amazing features that you can get on Builderall for just $1. So let's just go through that. Another amazing thing I absolutely love is that you can create your e-commerce site using Builderall. How amazing is that? With a super fast checkout. So if you're into e-commerce and you're looking for a site, looking for how to create one, do check out Builderall. You can create your site on Builderall for just $1 as an e-commerce store owner. So these are some other amazing features that you definitely do want to check out that you can use for your digital marketing. So thank you for sticking with me. Now let's head on back to the video. Thank you. So now, how do we make money online with this? So first of all you have to do is register on Fiverr. Now Fiverr is a freelance platform where you sell your services to people that are in need of it. So you could register as a website builder. Like I said previously, you can create your website, your apps, your magazines, your email marketing, your funnels, and all of that good stuff on this platform. But for today, we're going to be focusing on the website builder. Why? Because I have been using that and it has been working beautifully well for me. So I'm going to be telling you how you can do this. So you create your website, probably for a friend, for family, or for yourself even. Get reviews from your family, from your friends, from people around you when you create the website for them for free. Use this, create your portfolio. Show what you can do to people on Fiverr, to your potential clients on Fiverr. Create your portfolio, create your reviews, and put it up on there. And then people are going to see, this person is quite good. If this person can create this for that person definitely can create my own website, and you can charge them for the website creation. So with this method, you can definitely get back your $1 or $69 back. Yes, it's a good investment, I would say. So you can get started with that, or you can go to the traditional good old way, DMing, direct messaging people, selling your skills online to people, or one-on-one discussion, telling them what you can do. Send them your portfolio, send them your links of website you've created, and you've got yourself some job to get started on with and some way to start making money online. All right, so I am going to be leaving the link to the Builderall down below in my description box. Hit that link and let's get you started on the making money online journey. Yes, and I will see you all. Do have a lovely day. Bye. And if you've not liked and subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please like and subscribe. Then that. All right, good stuff. So I will see you all in my next video. Do have an amazing day. Bye.